In this step, we have to add identity-based authentication to this project. So our objective is to add this admin area. To this we will add a home page, index page. Similarly, we will add a user area and we will add a index home page. And to auth area, we will add our files like access denied, forgot password, login, logout, etc. This is the main objective of this tutorial, and we shall be adding to the program.cs file also, so that this authentication actually works. Let us now straightway move to the project, and in this case, as I told you, we have our areas, and to the admin area we have added a page called index. This page only shows admin home page. Then view start and view import files are as usual. And similarly for the user area, we have added a home page that shows user's home page message. Nothing else. And this is the main thing that has been done. And if you remember, in the last tutorial we added identity context, and now we have added a pages folder. This folder, it contains various modules or various pages for the identity based tasks. I will quickly take you through the pages access denied page. This simply shows a message in red color, access is denied, and then there is a partial page underscore menu footer auth form. This partial page has been added to this auth area, and let us have a look at that partial page. It shows a list of all the links, login, register, forgot password, etc. And in the next page is so access denied I was talking, we have a partial so that it shows a menu at the bottom. Then we have a page for forgot password. This page has a form. This form shows user ID and the span for all that, so that when the user enters his user ID, he is given a further forgot password story, and this is the partial again menu at the bottom. Let us have a look at the code behind. In the code behind, we have a user manager. This comes from the identity, and this is obtained by dependency injection. And after that, when the form is posted, find by email async based on the user ID entered by the user, and then generate test reset password token. This token is supposed to be emailed to the user. In a real project, you will create an email link and send it by email, but in this case, we are redirecting the user to the reset password directly, as if he is coming from the email. This code is mostly standard code for identity, and here we have used input model for obtaining the user ID on the form for password. And let us now have a look at this reset password, what goes there. After that, we have this reset password. On the reset password, we again have a form that asks user ID, user password, and confirmation password, and a form. When this form is posted, this form, the backend, this obtains this user manager by dependency injection, and this you can study on your own level because this is the basic boilerplate. And if model state is valid, we find by email reset password async, and success redirect to the login page. And let us also have a look at the register page. Register page also presents a form where user ID, password, confirm password, these fields are obtained, and when the user registers, the backend class, again user manager, is obtained by dependency injection, and when the form is posted, a new identity user is created. Create async method is used to create a new user and generate email confirmation token, and he is redirected to a email test page. Again, this is supposed to be sent through email, but we are on a local computer, so email test page we must have added somewhere here. I think I forgot to add in this code that I'm showing here, but when I'll upload it for the final, then I will show that page, add that page here. That is just a simple temporary page created for a link. The link that is actually sent in an email. So when the user will click that link, he will come back to the login page, and on the login page we have some message, user ID, password, remember me, and the menu of all the links. And here you will have sign in manager and user manager obtained by dependency injection. And on get email verify, this will be coming from that email verification page that I told you just now. And from there you will find user confirm email, and we'll attach a cheapest plan. Usually some default plan is added to a new user, the free plan. If plan is not null, then you can add the plan to the user. Otherwise we'll say contact administrator for an active plan. You can check it, there's nothing in that which is very. And this is when the user actually attempts to log in. This is called when the user comes from the email page upon confirmation. And here this is when the user has actually tried to log in. Find by email async, add claim. If the user is admin, then claim of admin, role